When it comes to refinishing a tub with chips and worn spots like mine, you have a few options. You could hire a pro to reglaze the tub, or have it fitted with an acrylic liner. Or you could grab a DIY kit and do it yourself, which is what I'm going to do. First thing we need to do is prep the tub. Make sure caulk is removed along all the edges, and then remove the overflow drain cover. The finish won't stick to any dirt or soap scum, so you have to make sure the tub is really clean. Take your cleaner and sprinkle it all around the surface of the tub. And then use a little bit of water to wet your sponge, and then start scrubbing. And the goal is to get the tub as clean as possible. It's easy to see the dirt, but not so easy to see the soap scum. So really scrub as hard as you can. The tub is scrubbed, now I'm ready to rinse it off. To make sure the finish really bonds to the tub surface, follow your kit instructions to either etch or sand the surface of the tub. My kit doesn't have any etching powder, so I'm going to be using sandpaper. I'm taking the paper and running it along the surface of the tub. These fine scratches will create a nice base for the coating to stick to. Okay, the tub's nice and sanded. Now I'm going to rinse it off and dry it out. I'm using painter's tape around the tile edges, the drain fitting at the bottom of the tub, and protection paper along the floor. Now if your spout or shower head is dripping, wrap a plastic bag around it with a rubber band. It's time to refinish the tub. Now this is strong, so I have my respirator, some gloves, and safety glasses. Pour the hardener into the base and stir for a few minutes. Pour it into a paint tray and use a short nap roller like this. Start on the tops and sides of the tubs, alternating between vertical and horizontal strokes to prevent drips and roller edges. Do the flat sections first, then the curved ones on the bottom, and then the tub floor and front wall last. So I'm looking for the smoothest coat possible. Small bubbles may appear as you paint, but they should disappear as the paint dries. I personally like a sponge brush, like this, in the corners or the edges. Everything is dry, so I'm going to take up the tape, install my overflow drain cover, and put down a bead of caulk. And that's it. This looks awesome. I love how it came out. Now you might be excited to hop right on in, but wait a couple of days to let it set first.